Welcome to this NMP flight video tutorial. This tutorial will look at using the alternate aerodrome as a parameter in a flight list query. So I start with a flight list for Ryanair, and I'm going to open the Aerodrome menu, type in Liège, and select alternate as a criteria. I can only select either global or departure or arrival or alternate, not a combination of alternate with departure and arrival. I execute the query, and my flight list results show me flights that have Liège as either the alternate 1 or the alternate 2. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.